students, and welcome to our lab activity on climate. You're going to become a climatologist today as you explore various features of a map and a table. These are found in your book for the lab activity entitled Climate. And so before you actually begin, be sure you write your hypothesis, if you haven't done so already, to the question which states, how does location affect the climate of an area? And think about it. Does the climate or does the location of an area affect its climate? So take a moment and write your hypothesis before you begin. Okay. So now that you've got your hypothesis, thinking about all of the information that you've learned about this week, the first thing you're going to do is really take some time to examine your map. And I want to give you some hints and guidelines along the way. There are various locations on your map, starting with location A, B, C, D, E, and F. And as you examine each of those locations, pay attention to its location. Is it located in the interior of this large landmass, or is it near the coast? Is it at a low latitude near the equator, or is it at a higher latitude toward the poles? Here's the North Pole and here's the South Pole. Is it located in the mountains, or is it in a plain? Is it on the windward side of a mountain or the leeward side of a mountain? In other words, be thinking about all of these factors that affect the climate of an area. We discussed them over the last couple of days, and they are included in this lab activity under the first column entitled Factor. So pay attention to the factors that affect the climate in these different areas located on your map. Now, as you're examining your map and as you're examining and considering the factors affecting the climate, your answers are going to go on this table at the bottom of the page. Now, what answers are you to put there? What am I supposed to write? Well, let me tell you, it's multiple choice. All of the answers are in this chart above the table. I have bolded and italicized the words or phrases that you are to include in your answer on the table at the bottom. So here's the deal. You're going to be looking at the first location, location A, find it on the map, think about that list of factors affecting the climate of the area, and then under the column temperature, you find the most appropriate word or phrase to describe the temperature of location A, and then look under the column for precipitation and find the answer that you think best describes the precipitation at location A. And you're going to do that for all of the locations. When everyone is finished, we will discuss your answers to see how well you did. Be sure you are able to justify your answer because in some cases there might be more than one answer for a particular location. So be careful, work carefully, work with your partner, discuss it with your partner, and remember you can disagree with your partner and write your own answer as long as you can justify your answer. So we're going to see how well you do here today being a climatologist. Anytime we have left over this period can be spent studying for tomorrow's quiz. And so until then, I'm going to say bye-bye.